If you're like me and you have come across a WhatsApp status that you like, the first thing that comes to your mind intuitively is to take a screenshot, because you can't save a WhatsApp status. But what if I told you in this video today that you can actually use Xender to save a WhatsApp status that you like? Let me show you how.
Head over to Xender on your mobile device, and when you're on the Xender application, you're going to see a button at the bottom called Social. Click on it. Now you can see the first option is called WhatsApp, and beneath it is called Status. Click on that WhatsApp status and you have to click on Connect. Now I can see all the status from my contacts on WhatsApp, and I can save anyone I want. For instance, this you'll see a personal parade of President Muhammadu Buhari. I can just click on the download icon and you can see it has been saved and I can play it. So there you have it, guys. It's as simple as ABC.
Well, it's mind-blowing, right? You know what else is cool? Saving this video, liking the video, clicking on the follow button and sharing this video with a friend. Well, you're welcome, and it's pronounced AB Tech.